Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you the handle. I finished the handle on the door that I prepared for the front of the gigantic dollhouse that I bought recently at a community yard sale. So I recently showed you a video on the idea of what I was going to do. And you've probably seen those panels there. I made it all look like you can look outside through the door and see the view. But this is all about the handle. So I placed handles on both sides of the door. Right now the door is like this because it's drying up. I used this glue, Loctite, and I also used a garden clamp. I got those at the Dollar Tree. And I also used one of the pieces that the doors had. Those were 4 doors altogether that I got at the Goodwill store. So I unscrewed them and I used the same pieces to place them here with the handles. So the next time that you see this here, it's going to be in the foyer entrance of that dollhouse. So right now it's in the process of drying, and I wanted to share it with you. Okay? So thank you for watching.